Khasi Student Union Nehu Unit, Mynta sngi Tarik naiweing, jingdawa khmat Vice Chancellor Jong Nehu, Professor P.S. Shukla, Weng no Mardor Assistant Director of Sport, khubor, Secretary Incharge Jong Nehu, Nantu das. Dawa seng Katei jingdawa, utei briew Jrong Kti, Kren Kynshleiñ Kawei Samla pule Jong Katei skul ba. Haba ladpathai khubor, nongialam Jong KSU Nehu Unit, ong liang UVC, ulapan pon nongialam Jong KSU, bishar bnia Katei kam Jong jingle Nantu das.
Is that she was informed to report yesterday, okay, which was not a working day. So while coming from her hometown, halfway along Umsharpi, this Nantu das, he came to pick her up. Okay, as per the rules and procedures, he cannot do that. So he himself pick her up, and then he escort her till the Kyanaba old guest house. So on reaching the site, reaching the room, what he did was that he started to assault her, started to harass her, sexually molest her sexually without the consent of the person involved. So she was fighting that Nantu das, and with the grace of God, she was able to survive this incident. And after that fight that she was having with him, he fled the scene. After fleeing the scene, we get the news. We received the news that that girl was being molested, was sexually harassed by this Nantu das. So we came immediately to Nehu and to show support to her and to inquire what has really happened. So after having a discussion with her, then we were waiting for the family members to come, and the family members came, and then they had taken a decision after discussion, decisions to file an FIR against the Nantu das, the alleged person. So after a few hours, we received the news that this Nantu das had requested the police department to escort him to the police station. So when we went to file the FIR, we also witnessed that he was under police custody at that particular time. So that is what happened yesterday, and after that incident, she was taken into a hospital for medical tests as per rules and procedures. After that incident yesterday, see the incharge of that old guest house, he had duly informed the registrar of the university. He has duly informed the sports director of the university, who is in charge at the moment. So yes, that happened yesterday. So from the union, we collectively come today to demand the vice chancellor to take a hard decision to remove this Nantu das from all official designations. And after discussion with the vice chancellor, he has given us confirmation that he will need at least 1 or 2 days to give a decision considering our demands, and we are hopeful that he will take the actions accordingly. And if the administrators, if the vice chancellor does not act accordingly, we, the students union, we will be prepared to take further measurements. And this is a message to the university in general. We cannot give concrete, accurate confirmation to that. What we can say is there's a possibility and a probability on that this might not be this same or the one time that has happened. Maybe multiple times has happened, but the thing is that no one has come out to reveal what has really happened. Maybe the victims earliest has not come into light to bring this into to actually bring out what has happened to them. The Nantu das, since yesterday, he has been under police custody. So that is as per the information that we have received, and till at the moment we are not yet concrete on the actual status that he is in.